Hey friends, if you wish to fix bad image error with the error status 0xc000012f in Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to install the latest Visual C++ redistributable on your system. So how would you do that? Search for it in the Windows or Bing search bar and go to the top link, which is learn.microsoft.com, and then click on this first link, Visual Studio 2015, 2017, 2019 and 2022. Now download the x86 version unless you have a 32-bit computer, which is there. In that case you'll use the x86 version, but for a 64-bit computer, which almost everyone has these days, just download the x64 version. Click on open, then click on repair here if repair is an option, or just install it. And if this doesn't work, then try an SFC scan on the system. Basically, the main cause behind this issue is missing DLL files, so an SFC scan will be very helpful. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on command prompt, run as administrator. Type the command SFC space forward slash scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. The last solution is to update Windows. So right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side. Click on check for updates in the right pane. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.